Quarter 1, Module 3, Illustrate Rational Algebraic Expressions. So when we say rational algebraic expressions, so it can be written as P over Q. Okay? Wherein P is a numerator and Q is the so-called denominator. I think you're already familiar with numerator and denominator. And it refers to the fraction. Okay? So ngayon, pag sinabi natin rational algebraic expressions, it is in the form of fractions. Okay? Wherein the denominator or the Q is not equal to 0. Dapat, yung denominator niya ay hindi nag-i-equal sa 0. Okay? So, I have here example or the presentation 1 and the presentation 2. So, yun. Yan. Okay. So, this is the presentation 1 and the presentation 2. Pansinin. Anong napansin nyo sa presentation 1 at sa presentation 2? Okay. Kung makikita nyo, sa presentation 1, tignan nyo yung exponent. Ang presentation 1, 2, 3, 2. So, napansin natin na ang kanyang exponent ay positive. Okay? Ang exponent ni fraction 1 ay positive. Okay? Then, si presentation 2, pansinin naman natin ang kanyang exponent. So, we have negative 2, negative 2, negative 2. So, as you can see, the exponent of presentation 2 is negative. Yan. Tapos, ano pa? Ano pang napansin natin? Ayun. Kung makikita nyo, meron siyang square root. Ayan, oh. Square root si presentation 2. How about si presentation 1? Wala ko nakikita. So, si presentation 2, meron siyang square root. Ano pa? Yan. So, ngayon, sa madaling sabi, si presentation 1, it represent or this is an example of rational algebraic expressions. Okay, rational algebraic expressions. Yan, si presentation 1. Yan ang sample niya. Okay? At itong presentation 2 hindi. Therefore, masasabi natin na pag sinabi nating rational algebraic expressions, okay, no negative exponents. Ayan ha. Unang-una, it does not contain any negative exponents. Okay? Isa pa pala, dapat no fraction exponents. Dapat wala ding fraction exponent. Kagaya nito, dagdag lang natin. Let's say we have x minus y, let's say 1/3 over x minus 2. Yan. As you can see dito, fraction to, oh. Therefore, hindi siya under rational algebraic expressions. Okay? No fraction exponents. Tapos, no square root. Yan. Ha? Ayan na. No square root. Dapat wala siyang mga square root. Okay? So, ngayon, ang gagawin nyo, as your activity number 1, write it on your notebook or on your paper. This one. Okay? So, this activity is entitled, You Belong With Me. Classify the different expressions below as to which set of expressions they belong. Write the expression in the appropriate column. So, I have here the first one, number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? So, there is a 6 givens. You will just write it in the box. Kopyahin si box, ilalagay doon sa loob. Kung sino yung ilalagay nyo dito sa rational algebraic expressions at sino naman yung dito sa not rational algebraic expressions. Copy the expressions mismo kung ito ba ay dito o doon sa rational algebraic. Not. Sa not siya. Okay? Ganun yung gagawin sa activity number 1. That's it.